Lime's clip reaction. Oh, hell yes! So, unlike everyone else, I kind of non-consensually gave a sound alert to. Lime's actually asked me personally if I could make her a sound alert. This was a very interesting problem to tackle because I'm not a music producer. I don't do the bleeps and bloops. I don't have a cracked version of FL. That was on my old ass computer. She gave me what her sub sound alert sounds like. And she told me to make like a fucked up version of it so that she could pretend that there was nothing wrong with it and like gaslight her chat. So this is her debuting it. Is she gaslighting again? The sound alert question mark?
Orange, thank you so much.
Did Bao make everyone in confusion? I can't believe Bao is the secret sponsor of today's stream. That doesn't even sound like me, chat. Since when do I make those noises on stream? Lies Malicious. Wait, that's such a... Is that her nickname? Lies Malicious strikes again. One day Bao's gonna gaslight us like this. I feel like I do that every day. I think the biggest tackle of that alert was there was so much textures to it that I didn't know how to replicate. I used a comb. I just slammed my hand on my desk for some of them. I had to scream and make like monkey noises. And the alert's like maybe not even 3 seconds long. I go above and beyond for my clients, actually.